welcome back to my channel. Groovy vibes all the way, big ups. Noodle time, chow mein, pad thai flavor this time. Yeah. So the last one we tried was the regular chow mein, and I have to say it was the best. I kept getting more and more, just for lunch, whatever. If too lazy to make anything, boom, right there, perfect meal. Add some sriracha. But this time we are trying the pad thai. Sawadee cup, sawadee cup. Perfect, guys. All right, for all you Thai viewers, cheers. All right. See if it's the same way. 5 minutes, yeah. 1 minute to rest after. Halfway, yep. A lot of sodium, of course, yeah. But no added MSG, so yeah, there we go. Oh wow, protein 10 grams, perfect. Potassium, iron, calcium, vitamin D. Whoa, we got some vitamins in here. Wow, for once, right? So chow mein noodles, shrimp, red bell peppers, and rich Thai sauce. Wow, so we'll see if we can find any little shrimps in here, huh? Anyways, let's get to the kitchen, guys, for some Nissin chow mein pad thai. All right, let's get going. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, here we are. I waited a minute, put this extra sauce in, and I gotta say, when it was ready, it was really stinky. Open up the microwave and then shoo! Whoa, stinky. But I do see the little shrimps. Look at that little guy right there. Let's try him. Wow. I didn't know they made shrimp that size. Anyways, let's give it a try before we add our sriracha. Yeah. So the first package was like, I think it was oil. Second one was like all this powder, like maybe pepper, salt, whatever, Thai stuff as well. Ooh, that's really hot. As always, right? As always, we already know. Anyways, cheers. I see the little chopped up bell peppers. No shrimp here. Ooh. Whoa. It's already a little spicy. Actually, it's not that bad. I actually like it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's different. Sure, it's different. It's like a more of a seafood pasta tasting like. Yeah, I actually like these a lot. The Nissin ones, I have to say, are the winners. All the cup of noodles and Murachans, nah. Get the Nissin, if I'm pronouncing that right. Also another Japanese brand. Shit, I don't even think this needs sriracha. But just cause, come on, we gotta add a little bit, right? Just a little bit more flavor. But if I didn't have sriracha, I wouldn't be complaining, alright? I wouldn't be complaining. I'd be like, yeah, it's good. But you know what? For you guys, we gotta spice it up. You gotta spice it up. Okay, here we go. Sriracha just adds so much more flavor. Oh my gosh, this is where it's at right here. Sweating up a bit. Look how red my face is getting. Whoa. Delicious. Oh, where's my drink? I always miss my drink. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Ah, green tea. Yes, yes, my favorite, my favorite. Mmm. Mmm. I wonder what the pad thai would be like if it had chicken or the beef one. I think that would even be even better, honestly. Think about that. They need to make that. They seriously need to make that. Thumbs up, alright? Thumbs up. I gotta say, I prefer the chow mein one. This is second, okay? Out of all the noodles, chow mein's number 1. This one's number 2, and then you got the cup of noodles and merch on it. Yeah. But if they make any more of these, we will sure try them, alright? But anyways, hope you guys dig it. Like and subscribe all the way. Big ups. Thank you for always watching my channel. Always appreciate it. Always hitting that thumbs button, notifications. Spicy. Spicy. But anyways, yeah. We'll see you next time, alright? Like and subscribe for sure for more groovy content. Bye.